So I now want to show you how to use DOM to not just write an XML file, but append an XML file. What we're going to do is go into this members XML file. We're going to load it, and we're going to add a member to it, so we'll have a fifth member here. That's something that you couldn't do very easily with XML Writer. So if you're going to be editing XML files, you pretty much need to use DOM. And here's how it goes. So we need to make a DOM object, new DOM document. There we go. And then we need to load in our file. Our file is called members XML. Easy enough. Then we need to create a member node because that's what we're going to add. We're going to add one of these here with ID 5 after this here. So let's create that member node, and it goes like this. Member node, we'll call it, equals DOM create element. Okay, called member. Now we want to add an attribute like this here with a 5 because that's the next ID. So member node set attribute ID equals 5, easy enough. Now we need to create and add a first name node to the member node. Create and add first name node to member node. So what we're doing here, so we've already created this. We need to now create this and add it to this. So we'll call it first name node equals DOM create element first name. So there's our name node. And now we need to make a text node, which equals Jill. So first name text node equals DOM create text node. Actually, we had Jill. Jill's already in here. Let's add Sue. Sue. Okay. Now we need to attach the first name text node to the first name node. So we're going to say first name node append child first name text node. So now they're connected. And now we need to attach the first name node to the member node. Member node append child first name node. So now we've got all the nodes connected there. So let me just do the first name just so that we can see that we're making progress here. Add member node to the DOM. So we have this member node created, but it's just floating around in space. We need to actually add it to the DOM. Let's do that. DOM document element append child and add the member node to it. And now we just need to save. DOM save, and we need to say where we want to save it because we pulled it out of members XML. We might want to save it somewhere else, but we want to update this file, so we'll just save it right back. So let's see if it has added the first name. We go to DOM write, we execute it. Looks good. We go into members. It has been updated. We click yes. We restructure with Control-Shift-F, and we see that we have a new member node with a first name element in it. Perfect. Let's delete that and do the rest for good measure. This is the first name. We also want last name and score. Let's just do Control-F. First, change to last. Selected lines, or we'll have a mess. Replace all within selected lines. So last name looks good. Sue Sears is her name, and now let's do this different. Create and add score. So this is score. The score is 77. Append the child. Yeah, let's change first name to score. Selected lines, place all. So there we have it. Let's try it again. Execute. Everything's okay. Look in our members XML. it was updated. Click yes. Restructure, Control-Shift-F, and we see that we have successfully appended a member element into our XML file using the DOM.